The e-Vidyalaya project under ICT at School scheme is a window of opportunity to the students and teachers in the government and government-aided high schools in the state of Odisha to bridge the digital divide. The scheme is a comprehensive and well-thought-out initiative to open new vistas of computer-aided teaching and learning to provide a level playing field to school students, whether in rural areas or in the cities. The continuous engagement of teachers and learners during the interactive learning process will enable effectiveness in education.
How does blood flow in the heart?
The quality objectives of this initiative have been set to achieve overall 3% growth in the passing percentage of 10th standard students in 2014-15. To achieve 60% utilization of all the ICT labs for the first year and to grow subsequently, and to get data of 100% students of 10th standard and teachers in the school uploaded in the web portal and monitor their learning. To monitor the e-Vidyalaya project, 6 zonal officers have been appointed across the state in the monitoring units. There are 90 district-wise officials in 30 districts to cover 4,000 schools where e-Vidyalaya project is being implemented in the first phase. These officials are well equipped with high-end GPS-enabled tablets, and they will be visiting each school once in a month for 5 years. Beside the monitoring unit, a fully equipped 6-seated high-tech call center with call center software and ISDN line has been established. For all the technical queries and other issues at the school level, web-based support system for call logging and support has been designed. The contact details will be hosted on the public portal www.evidyalaya.org.
Address mkcl.org/ef लिखंतु असला पर आपण असला चैनल पर नेटवर्क तापर आपण क्लिक करंतु.
These surveyors will capture the monitoring information about the ICT lab assets and photographic testimonials in their high-end GPS-enabled tablets. All these data are synchronized in a private cloud. The data analysis is then done and the reports are created, after which the data are uploaded in the public portal. The authorized reports are then made available to the department. Asset monitoring of the ICT labs in 4,000 high schools is being carried out in 2 ways. One of them is a web-based asset monitoring system. The asset monitoring software has been designed to capture all the detailed configurations such as size of hard disk and type of operating system installed. All the details are approved only after it gets uploaded from the ground level. The second is a manual asset monitoring, which is in 2 layers. In the first layer, the asset monitoring report filled by ICT coordinators are compared with the required specifications. The second layer consists of installation and commissioning report to be filled by the vendors and headmasters. The asset reports are scanned and made available in the web portal. The multimedia content of 40 hours of 10th standard and 40 hours of 9th standard with inform type as well as perform type has been developed.
जल संबल जल चक्र द्वारा एहार निरंतर नवीकरण और भरणा हेउथाय.
The inform type content comprises animation and videos in interactive mode. They are designed to make the understanding of complex subject content easy. It makes the learning more practical oriented and makes the student to feel the content.
जलाच्छादित एवं जल मध्य असरंती संबल तेबे पृथ्वीर अनेक देश एवं अंचल रे जलाभाव देखा जाउछि काहेकि?
There are individual logins for all the students. The perform type content is based on continuous comprehensive assessment where each subject contains 100 objective type questions per chapter on multiple choice, fill in the blanks and matching the pairs with reasoning. There are group of 4 students per computer. Each student gets one question and the answer gets confirmation from the other 3. The answer is shown with feedback at the end of submission of the answer by the last student. The next question is asked to the second student and the answer provided gets confirmed by the other 3 and so on. As the same question is asked to 4 students, there is impetus to group activity. Subjects such as communicative English as well as Sanskrit are also included. Group learning mode is also available. The objective is to optimize the use of computers, group involvement, learning through discussion, and raising the confidence level of students by bridging the gap between them. The teachers' training will be carried out in 6 layers. In the first layer, the hardware installed in the ICT lab will be demonstrated by the school coordinator. The computer fundamentals learning will be imparted by the school coordinator. The office tools learning will be covered through e-content in interactive mode, which is a 132 hours, and also through 5 days a week program in Doordarshan.
आज ए हार्डवेयर अन्य किछि डिवाइसेस विषय विस्तृत भावे आलोचना करिबा पई आम सहित उपस्थित अछंती प्रोफेसर कंप्यूटर साइंस प्रभाकर मिश्रा। चलंतु स्वागत करिबा amschool.com रे। सर नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
आज रो अध्याय रे आपन को स्वागत। आमे कथा हेतिले हार्डवेयर रो डिवाइसेस कीबोर्ड एवं माउस विषय आउ किछि हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस अछि कि?
प्रथमे मो टच स्क्रीन विषय रे एक हमरा इनपुट डिवाइस रे एक अंश ता विषय रे किछि आलोचना करिवे। टच स्क्रीन हेउछि एक मॉनिटर सदृश।
The first phase of 10 episodes covered OMR training and subject experts discussion and was widely appreciated by the educationists. The next phase of 130 episodes shall comprise office tools teaching, hardware maintenance and troubleshooting, as well as episodes based on leadership and inspiration. The last layer of training will be based on e-content development. With an innovative, transparent and unique approach to address ICT at schools, the e-Vidyalaya project in Odisha is likely to usher a new era in imparting quality education to the students in the state.